Okay, this is a horror hospital. Ito yung horror hospital number 2. So, try natin siyang i-play kung ano yung inside ng hospital na to. So, come on, samahan nyo. So, may nag-usap sila. Okay. So, this is it. So, to access the secret files, go into the hospital. Okay. As you wish. So, walk in a walk. Dumadaan. Look who's walking. It's so creepy. Oh. Not good, ha? You know what you're doing. Ang babato siya. So, sabi nila kapag nakuha mo na yung key, nakatuwang mo ka na. Oh! Bad siya. So, we better run. It's behind me. No. No, 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 no. No, please. He's behind me. He wanted to eat me. I'm not a food. So, the secret files can be on this floor or lower by entering the lower point with a different key. Okay. And so creepy sounds. Creepy yung sounds niya. Inside here is so abandoned hospital. Don't do that. Parang kasi Slendrina. Ano naman tinatago dito? Parang siyang Slendrina style na nagugulat. I don't know how many times siyang manggugulat. Not intentionally to make this. Nakakatulala. So, I can't imagine kung nandito talaga. No. It's a key. There's a key in here. I think we better off get out of this place. Hawak natin yung susi. Okay, we need to find the files. I don't know where it is. Parang siyang house up there sa sobrang creepy. Pero, I think we can play this now. Let's check sounds. Oh. I don't want to see that. It's very, I don't know, parang kumakain ng ewan. Yes, jackpot. I think this is the files. Hindi tayo ginala ng Momo. I want to go out here. Oh, so creepy. So kailangan to pag naglalaro ka nito, medyo may sarili mo. Yeah, meron ng motor. So, ayun na nga guys, nalaro na natin yung Horror Hospital 2. Try natin yung laruin yung Horror Hospital 3 sa next video ko. So, kung nagustuhan mo yung video ko, please like and subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you and like.